Oh, I got a lint over. I got Gronky's hair on me. Take that. It's a hot day, you know. Kind of. I don't know if you'd call this a walk-in closet, but you know, I'm walking in, so we'll call that a walk-in closet. I'll market it like that. Hey guys, what's up? Jeremy here. We are back with another home tour video. This time we are in the city of Waipahu, but specifically the neighborhood of Waipio. So if you don't know where Waipio is, for those that are watching, so if you have Oahu, Waipio is like kind of by Waikele. So right now we're in the complex of Waipio Gentry. It's a really nice complex. Like if you can see right here, there's a baseball field right there, basketball field right there. Basketball field, I said basketball field, right? Yeah. Basketball court, but it's on the main road and basically public parks, public restrooms. So it's really nice, you know, if you're a family, young family, and you have kids that are in sports or you just want to get some exercise, run around, walk your pets. That's really convenient for this complex. Right behind me right here is the unit, so it's really convenient. Fun fact, this unit is actually listed by Marlon, who is my partner for Ohana Investment Realty, and Krystle, who's part of our company too, and she's my cousin. So awesome family business. But here, let me give you guys some information on this listing. This is, by the way, 941088 Paawalu Street. I totally butchered that. Unit R4 Waipahu. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 1 parking stall. The parking stall is not covered, it's just outside. We'll go there in a second. 717 square feet, and it is listed for $510,000, which I think is a really great price for this area and this complex. Something important to maintenance fees is $496 per month, and that covers sewer, water, and other common expenses. Sometimes people always ask me, what are other common expenses? Well, when you're in like townhomes like this or in condos, there are common areas like this, for example, like this grass. This isn't something you would take care of as the owner. This is something the association would take care of, like this bush, this tree, all of these. This is taken care of by the HOA, and in return, you have to pay that $496 maintenance fee. But that's it for all the specs. Let's go check out the home. I'll take off my shoes because my mom would probably yell at me that I didn't take off shoes in their listing. So here is the living room. Again, this whole entire unit is about 717 square feet. So it is not that spacious, but when you're in the $500,000 range here in Hawaii, that's kind of like entry level. So first time home buyers, maybe young families. I mean, I'm not discriminating, but you can even buy this as a rental property as well. Entry level price, but as you can see, it is renovated. You have luxury vinyl plank, which is really nice. Looks like quartz countertop. It's all renovated, nice cabinets. Is it soft close? It is soft close. That's awesome, I love that. Everything looks pretty much clean. I love the mini staging. You've got stainless steel appliances and a water. I'm gonna take that. It's a hot day, you know, kind of parched. Here you have a nice spacious counter or dinner table, dining table, you know, whatever you want to call it, you know. 1 chair here. You have a nice succulent tree that this kind of species of plant you don't need to water. It's pretty crazy. You have a window AC unit, so there's that. And then over here, you have the outside. This is a nice outside space. Jokes aside, it's really nice, like when you have a townhome, you can have like your own little fenced in space. For this price range, you know, it's cool that if you can buy in it, live in it, and you kind of, I wouldn't say it's like a single family, but you kind of have like a backyard like what you would have in single family, but just a small size. So if you love grilling, barbecuing, this would be perfect. You know, I'd love to cook some steaks, some vegetables, whatever, have a little barbecue right here. Maybe a nice umbrella shade, whatever you want. And then what's cool is that since this is on the main road, you could essentially park your car over there, and then you have the gate access right here. I don't know, I'm doing this wrong. Gate access right here, super easy to access.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But yeah, very convenient. Out here, more storage space. So if you have like maybe bikes, surfboards you want to store out here, it makes it really convenient. Also, if you were wondering, you know, sometimes people ask me about my videos and like, oh, how much would it cost to actually live here? So this is a cool calculator app I have. It's called Carl's Mortgage Calculator, Carl with a K. But you basically plug and chug. So if you put $510,000 as the price, if you're a first-time home buyer, you only need 5% down, so we'll put that. Interest rates right now are, I would say, around 6.5% on average. And then you want to put a 30-year term, plus the $496 HOA fee. Your total monthly is about $3,558.37, maybe plus or minus $100 to $200, maybe $300 when you're adding, you know, property taxes, you're adding insurance, costs like that. So that's just to give you a rough estimate or, you know, an idea of what you'd be paying each month. So there's that. Let's go check out the other bedrooms. This is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. So here's 1 bedroom. Cool that you have like a closet. I don't know if you'd call this a walk-in closet, but you know, I'm walking in, so we'll call that a walk-in closet. I'll market it like that. Windows, another AC unit. That's good. And then here's the primary bedroom. A little bigger, a little more spacious. I'm guessing this has an AC unit too. Yep. And then you have, it looks like 2 closets. One closet is a mirror sliding door, and then this is another closet, walk-in closets. And what's cool is that if you go here, you can walk in the bathroom, and if you can go over there, another bathroom. No, it's the same bathroom. It's a 2-door bathroom, better than 1-door bathroom, if you ask me. Washer and dryers, cabinet space, shower tub, vanity, mirror, sink, and of course the toilet, you know. So yeah, 2-bedroom, 1 bath, interesting layout. I see this a lot in the Waipio homes, but yeah, just, you know, a different type of design. That's pretty much it for this interesting bathroom. And there you guys have it. That is this listing in Waipio Gentry. Again, I'll put all the info in the description below. And if you have questions or you're looking to buy or sell your home, feel free to reach out to me at info@jeremymateo.com, or you can reach out to me on Instagram at @thejeremymateo. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you on the next video.